Hello, today I will guide you on how to turn on and off the word count in Microsoft Word. Open the search menu on your computer, type word in the search bar, click on Microsoft Word to open it, create a blank document. To disable the word count display, right-click on the status bar, right-click on the status bar, look for the word count option and uncheck it. The word count will disappear from the status bar. To enable the word count display again, right-click on the status bar, check the word count option. The word count will reappear on the status bar. Hope this guide helps. Good luck.